In this short video, we'll investigate the question, what is a word? Or more specifically, what makes up a word? First of all, if we take the sentence, the dog eats the fish, we can say that we have a sentence of 5 words. So practically speaking, a word is where we have the space to separate each unit of the sentence. However, just like in science, where we can say an atom is made up of protons, neutrons, and electrons, we can also say that words are made up of smaller constituent parts, called morphemes. A morpheme is the smallest possible linguistic unit that can carry meaning. Let's take the word kind, a word and morpheme simply meaning to be nice to someone. Now we could add the prefix un to create unkind. We now have a word with 2 morphemes, and this new word means to not be nice to someone. We could add another morpheme, let's add ness to the end and create unkindness. We've now changed a descriptive word, the adjective unkind, into the act of being unkind itself. In other words, we've made the adjective a noun and we have a word with 3 morphemes. Sometimes the meaning of the morpheme is completely tangible and is the same as the word itself, like kind. Other times the morpheme is carrying out a grammatical function, adding further context to our word, or modifying the word to create a new one. If we remove kind, you'll see that neither un nor ness can be a word by itself. They don't exist. These are called bound morphemes, which means they have to be attached to something else, just like some atoms in chemistry, whereas a morpheme such as kind is called a free morpheme. Now, while bound morphemes are forced to exist with a free morphemes can also bind together to form new words. Take for instance the free morpheme air and another one port. Individually, they have their own meanings, but they can be brought together to make the word airport. Understanding morphemes is especially important for using dictionaries. Dictionaries do not list all possible words, but they do attempt to list all free morphemes as headwords. So if you can't find a new word in a dictionary, see if you can break it into morphemes and you may be able to crack its meaning. So we can now say that a word is made up of morphemes, which come together to represent a unit of speech that has some conventional, agreed meaning among a group of speakers of a language.